Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 4.4, question number 7. In two concentric circles, a chord of length 16 centimeter of larger circle become a tangent to the smaller circle whose radius is 6 centimeter. Find the radius of a larger circle. Here, two concentric circles are drawn here. Now, here AB is the chord of a larger circle and then joined from the center of the concentric circle to the chord at the point of contact is like, which is perpendicular to the chord, and join the radius is perpendicular to the chord and join the center and the point B. Now the center is O and the perpendicular, the point is C here. Also given the chord of length 16 centimeter of the chord length AB, that is here AC and CB is equal, which is 8 centimeter, and this OC is 6 centimeter. Now here the given AB is 16 centimeter and CB equal 8 centimeter. CA equals CB 8 centimeter. Also the given things OC perpendicular to AB. Now in right triangle OCB by Pythagoras, we can say OB square equal OC square plus CB square. Now OC is 6 square, CB is 8 square, which is equal 36 plus 64 OB square, which is square root of 100. Then OB equal, here OB equal 10, square root of 100 is 10. Now which is radius of the larger circle, radius of the larger circle is OB equal 10 centimeter. Now we got the radius which is required. Now question number 8. Here two circles with center O and O days of radii 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively intersect at 2 points P and Q such that OP and O days P are tangents to the two circles. Find the length of common chord PQ. Here let the center of the small circle is O, larger circle is O dash. Now the point here P and Q. Center also the point of intersection of both is here. We can write R. Now radius of small circle OP is 4. Here also 4. Radius of big circle is you can write this way. Here OP is 4 and OQ is 4. O dash P is 3 and this 3. Measurement is not in scale. Now we know that O dash is perpendicular bisector of chord PQ common chord PQ, and let R is the point of intersection. R is point of intersection of PQ and of point of intersection PQ and O dash. Now assume PR and PR is equal to RQ equal to X. Here assume PR equal to X, therefore RQ also X. RQ also X here, both are equal. Now and OR equal to Y. Now in triangle OPO dash, OP square plus O dash P square equal O dash. Here this is 90 degree. Now in triangle OPO dash, we can say OP square by Pythagoras, OP square plus O dash P square equal O dash square therefore you can say O dash equal square root of OP is already 4 square plus 3 square equal square root of 16 plus 9 is 25, which is equal 5. Then let O R equal to Y. O R equal to Y. Then in triangle OPR, in triangle OPR, in triangle OPR, OP square equal OR square plus PR square by Pythagoras. O is OPR, that is OP square equal PR square plus OR square. Therefore, we can say which is equal x square plus y square, which is OP square. Therefore, OP equal now OP already is 4. 4 square equal x square plus y square. Let it be 2. We'll keep 1 x square plus this one op square x square plus y square equal 16. This is 1 as well. In triangle O dash PR O dash PR triangle O dash PR, same way O dash PR is O dash P equal PR plus O dash R. That is O dash P squared equal PR squared plus O dash R squared, which is equal PR squared is here. PR squared is already x we let, that is x squared, plus O dash R squared is 5 O dash R. Here O dash R equal total 5 minus because O dash we have already O dash is 5 and which we let y here, OR is y, therefore this is 5 minus y whole square, let it be 2. Now equation 1 minus 2 gives 1 is x squared plus y squared minus x squared plus 5 minus y squared equal 16 minus 9. 4 square is 16, 3 square is which is equal, that is 2 here, this is O is 3 square, O dash P is 3, O dash P square is 3 square, therefore 4 square minus 3 square is 16 minus 9. So further expansion, x square plus y square minus x square here expansion 25, 5 square is 25 minus 10y plus y square. Then further simplification, here 16 minus 9 is 7. So x square plus y square minus x square minus 25 plus 10y minus y square equal to 7. So x square cut. So y square also cut. Then gives 10y equal 25 plus 7, which is equal 32. Therefore y equal 3.2. 32 divided by 10 equal 3.2. 3.2. Now substituting in y, substituting in substituting the y value in 1. We have equation 1 is x square plus y square is 16. 16. Then already y here x square plus 3.2 square equal 16. Therefore, x square equal 16 minus 3.2 square. Here 32 into 32 is 4, 6, 6, 9, 4, 12, 10.24. 10.24. Therefore, x equals square root of 10.24. 16 minus 10.24 equal 6, 76 and 5. 5.76. Therefore, 5.76 is x is square root of 5.6 is 2.4. Now, further we need further we have x square plus y square. We got both x values. X value is 2.4, y we got it, x and y got it. Now PQ, we need the length of PQ. Look at this PQ here. PQ is PR plus RQ, that is both are equal. PR is already, PR we are having x, that is 2x. Here 2x, which is equal 2 into 2.4 equal 4.8 centimeter. Therefore, length of PQ equal 4.8 centimeter. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.